So it started raining and I had to come out and cover my babies up. Look at them. At first they were in their little house thingy. Just don't talk about my motherfucking chicken's house. Cause I'm learning this shit day by day. So leave me the fuck alone. But anyway, soon as I closed their thingy up, they started coming out. So I guess they were cold. Look at this motherfucker right here. That is Pikachu. See? No, that's Delilah. Not Delilah. I mean, that's Tanya. Look at her. She just chilling. That's Delilah beside her. That's Delilah. That's Tanya. That's SpongeBob. That is Diana. That is Pikachu right there. Of course, that's Bossy. And that's TJ. AKA Trevor Joe. My daughter named him, y'all. Look at what they doing to the food. Oh my God. Really? I gotta go get him another watermelon tomorrow. See, they tore that watermelon up. I had another piece right there, which I had to throw it out because they had to pecked it all the way down to the rind. That's their water. Of course, they put their blueberries in the water. Look at Bossy and Trevor Joe just chilling in the food. Trevor Joe is knocking all the food out. Like, what's your deal? What are you on about? Bossy. Look at SpongeBob. Jump, SpongeBob. Pikachu just laid down. But anyway, everybody's happy and healthy. Look how he looking at me. Look how she looking at me, I mean. So, SpongeBob is a boy. And Trevor Joe, TJ, is a boy. So, there you have it. That's the clan.